Hello and welcome back. Today we are up north and we're going to do some brush hogging. I'm going to get this field over here cleared, so I'm going to start here, go down, kind of make a loop around it. We'll see if we run into anything on the way. There's usually some trees down and so forth in here. I've got the chainsaw with me in the bucket, so if I need to use it, I'll use that. But otherwise, it should go pretty simple. Hope to get it done pretty quickly, and then I have another area down, further down the way called the park need to get done as well. So let's get this part done first. So just as I was getting started here, starting to mow the grass, I noticed these flowers here, which I forget what they're called. I forget the real name of them is, but my word for them is they're ragweed. This is ragweed, guys, and I am so allergic to this stuff. It makes me go crazy. You can see about this time of year they pop out and they're pollinated. They bloom in the late summer like this. So I'm gonna go get a mask, put a mask on, because if I mow this whole field and hit all this pollen up, it's gonna drive me crazy, and I'll be paying for it for a week probably. So yeah, that is ragweed, guys, and that is the bane of my existence here in the fall when I'm doing this type of brush hogging and so forth. So I've got some N95 masks. I'm gonna go put one of those on. I don't want to do without putting a mask on because it would be bad otherwise. All right, so here we go. We got the mask on now. Not sure how well you guys can hear me, but got the mask on. Now the ragweed won't bug me so much. Let's get to doing this field. So here is the end result on this field. I went ahead and parked the tractor back in the pole barn. Well, actually I did this first, and then I went and did the park down that way. I'll go show you that in a second, guys. Did all this, did that down there, then I parked the John Deere in the pole barn. You can see the lawnmower even on the hill over there. You see the lawnmower over on the hill over there? Right in front of the pole barn, it's there mowing. Cleaned it up the other day. I've got to put a video out there for that so you guys can see what I did, clean that up. So let's go show you what I did at the park, and then I think we'll be done for the day. Let's go check that out real quick though at the park. So here's one of the back ways into the park here. I kind of cut this path here. That section over there is not ours. We don't own that. I didn't cut that up. But this part over here we do own. This big tree here fell a couple of years ago. It's kind of leaning on that old stand we had set up there. But I cut through here with the tractor. Got a nice clean path going through here now. And this will end up over close to where the Mississippi River is where this will go. So a little bit of a shortcut to get to the Mississippi River. We end up landing on this road right here. Goes that way. That way is not our land, but all this through here is. So all that back through here is all our land. And all back through here as well. So this is the other section that I cut down. There's the gate we put up before. Down here's the way to the Mississippi River. So I just cut all this. And over the edge here you can see the river, which is doing pretty good. It's pretty full of water. Let's go check it out real quick. I like how much water's out here. Somebody else cut this tree down for me, and they just kind of cut it, and I kind of left it here though. Suppose I'll have to clean that up at some point. But here is the river. It's gone down a little bit. You can kind of see a boulder over the top of the edge over there. Before it was really low, and you can see all those boulders in there, but it's not looking too bad. I mean, earlier in the year, it was way further up to the banks here, but still not looking bad. So that's what we got, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will see you guys on the next one.